Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add meeting notes to a Google Calendar event. So on the More Options page, this big box at the bottom, notice I can add an attachment. I can also type in this box. I do have some formatting options. I can make things bold, italic, underlined, numbered lists, bulleted lists, adding links, and removing formatting. Or I can click on this button to create meeting notes. All right, and then notice what's going to happen here. This will create a default Google Doc with some formatting in it for the meeting notes once I save the event. All right, so notice if I want to add stuff to this, I can type that in as well. So I can add my own content here as well. And then notice when I save this, and I click on it, now I have this Google Doc for notes for this event or an agenda or whatever. And this is making use of the Google Docs building blocks. It's basically short little content snippets that you would probably use over and over again. And you can create shortcuts for those. You have to keep retyping it. But notice I've got a fairly simple notes outline here. It has the date, which I can adjust from within the Google Doc. I can change or edit this. Here I can write down who is going to be attending. Do I have any notes, any action items? Just really convenient that it's created for me when I save that event. You don't have to do it this way, but it does save a lot of time.